We draw from a rich history with 75 years of proven deliveries, taking us to this moment as EO Innovations becomes Raytheon Intelligence and Space Optics CMC. While you might never see our optics technology up close, you do see the world up close through our eyes. We provide the image for critical missions across state-of-the-art platforms and programs. From seeing the big picture to seeing targets at seemingly impossible distances. It's a vision we build on daily. Optics CMC is rooted in engineering innovation, integrated technology roadmaps, embedded optical design, concurrent engineering, backed by in-house manufacturing and assembly. Optics CMC offers a full suite of production services. From prototyping to full-rate production, our core work centers create essential optical technologies: optics fabrication, diamond point turning, thin film coating, assembly, alignment, and testing. We've set our sights on the future, investing in leading-edge technologies, including durable AR coatings, advanced free-form-enabled systems, and development of high-energy laser coatings. We're also investing in facility upgrades and support for emerging markets. But it's not what we do, or even how we do it, that defines us. It's where our optics go. To the greatest heights, in the most dangerous situations, delivering when the stakes are highest. We are Optics CMC.